In the vast, rugged expanse of the Soviet Union, the Luftwaffe's forward airfields played a pivotal role in the German military's Eastern campaign during World War II. These airfields were essential for maintaining air superiority, supporting ground operations, and serving the needs of the advancing German army. As Germany launched Operation Barbarossa in June of 1941, the swift advance into Soviet territory necessitated the establishment of forward airfields to extend the reach of the Luftwaffe. These simple airfields facilitated the rapid deployment of fighter and bomber aircraft, ensuring that German forces could maintain air cover, reconnaissance capabilities, and close air support for ground troops. These forward airfields were typically constructed in conquered territories, often under very challenging conditions. They needed to be quickly built and operational while being capable of supporting a range of aircraft types from Messerschmitt Bf-109 fighters to Junkers Ju-87 dive bombers. The infrastructure included runways, fuel depots, ammunition storage, and repair facilities, all critical for sustained air operations. The story of these airfields and the vehicles that supported them offers a glimpse into the relentless demands of war and the technological innovations that seek to meet them. It is interesting to note that the German Air Force had a very large organization for constructing these air bases. They were called Luftwaffenbautruppen, or Air Force construction units. Without this little-known but very important branch, there would have been no serviceable airfields for the flying units, no buildings and shelters on those airfields, no fuel and ammunition dumps, and no unit command bunkers. In 1941, the Luftwaffenbautruppen numbered 153,000 officers and men, roughly 10.5% of the Luftwaffe's total uniform strength. To help them in their work, in 1942, Adler Werke, the famous car manufacturer from Frankfurt am Main, developed a special, heavy-duty off-road airfield tractor designed for hauling loads in difficult terrain. This vehicle was specially designed for the Luftwaffe to maintain and operate its forward airfields in the Soviet Union. Under the name Sonderkraftfahrzeug, so Special Purpose Vehicle 325, two prototypes were made in 1943 with two rear hollow top drums with a diameter more than 3 meters each and two front twin steel wheels. The tractor could be used for leveling the surface on forward airfields and or pull the planes. The crew cabin for 2 people was all metal. The issue of transporting people was solved in a very interesting way. When working at an airfield, it is often necessary to transport technical personnel from aircraft to aircraft. So 5 open seats on each side of the cabin were used for this purpose. The vehicle was also able to tow a load of 1,800 kilograms. However, after testing the prototypes, some advantages of the design were appreciated, but the machine itself was not accepted into series production. The new vehicle was simply too large, too slow, and too expensive. So the German Air Force had to maintain the forward airfields with their already existing equipment without the help of this new wonder tractor. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you want to support my channel, check out the PayPal donation link in the description or consider becoming a member. To make sure you don't miss my future work, subscribe to my channel please and press the bell notification button. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.